K-Pop Express.
Hello. Kaway po.
Legacy and Galleria. Wow. Okay. 3, 2, start you. What's up? This is UE. What's up, bro? This is What's up, bro? This is Galleria. Hi. Alam niyo ba yung song ko? Pero bago lahat, magpakilala mo tayo sa isa. Okay. Hello po. My name is Long. Tapos lang sa dito na po. Nasa biyara mo. Hello, my name is Tad and I'm the leader of this wonderful group. Nice to meet you guys. 안녕하세요. Hello everyone. I am El and I'm the main vocal of UE. Hello po.
Hello everyone, I'm Maggie and I'm the visual and one of the vocalists of this group.
Okay. As you can see guys, apat lang kami dito. And syempre namimiss na may isa naming member dyan. So, Wilson, if you're watching, I love you, Wilson. We miss you, Wilson. Ito, ayan. So mga hindi po nakakilala sa amin, kami po ay isang rookie P-pop group na nag-training po sa Korea for over 1 year. And ayan, yung perform po namin kanina was our debut, pre-debut song. And that was called ER. Ayan, sa mga luma pong K-pop na tao dito, K-pop fan. So ayan, fun fact, ER was actually a remake. Yes, ER po siya by Dalmatian. So, may nakakalam ba dito nun? Meron ba? Kahit konti? Wala. Okay. Pero yan, we were so thankful kasi nabigyan kami ng chance para i-remake yung song at para mas marami pang Pinoy yung maka-relate dun sa kanta.
Sam! Sam!
Again, make some noise for Vision! And I'm sure you guys are so energetic for today, and what a way to welcome and open our everyone's K-pop and the grand finals for K-pop Cover Dance Festival. So Vision, would you like to introduce yourself?
What's up, 2025, everyone's K-pop! So, papakilala muna kami. 먼저 인사하겠습니다. 이것쇼 we are Vision! Hello po, my name is C13. Hi guys, my name is Sam.
Hey guys, my name is Franz.
Hey guys, it's Vince.
Hello everyone, my name is Patrick.
And again, thank you guys. With the organization, we would like to thank again Vision for, welcoming and gracing our stage and being generous to share their talent in front of all our audience today. And just to share, guys, I'm not sure if sino dito yung mga nakakalam, but C13 was a member before of a group and represented Philippines as well to the K-pop Cover Dance Festival in Korea. So, yeah, so we would like to ask some memories and experience na nadala mo, na bring mo in terms of now having a P-pop group in the Philippines.
Actually, yung mga K-pop event dito sa Philippines, sobrang taas ang energy palagi. And yung first time namin sumali ng K-pop Cover Dance Festival way back 2015. And during that time, wala talaga kami na-expect. Parang sinabi namin na sobrang labo na mag-champion kami that time kasi sobrang daming magagaling ng mga groups. But surprisingly, ayun, we represented the Philippines alongside Cypher. And yun, ang papayo ko lang sa inyo is all of us wants to win, right? Pero ang pinaka-importante talaga dapat is mag-enjoy kayo and maging satisfied kayo sa performance. Yeah.
Well said.
And just to share from that experience, kasi that was way back 2015, and yun yung parang in a way first partnership ng Social Mandeli. And because of that, they chose two representatives, which is, mentioned C13 is their group, and Cypher. And again, that was a great experience for everyone to experience din. Nung pagbalik nila dito, di ba? Nadala talaga nila yun. And the connection they built. Kasi, like he mentioned, all over the world, mamimit mo yung mga iba-ibang cover groups around the world. Ayan.
Pichi! 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 Marcos!
Very ultimate bias.
It was unreal. Honestly, the whole K-pop
music show experience was unreal for all of us. Pero to see the reason why I'm there is really crazy. So it was nakakakilig talaga siya para sa akin.
Yes, how about you?
For me, it almost came naturally because nung high school ako, marami akong friends na mahilig sa K-pop. And at that time, I wasn't very interested pa sa K-pop around 2016 until I saw Blackpink, they released their debut. And that's when I really got into the whole aspect of K-pop because before then I was already interested in performing. Like I was dancing in schools and participating in dance clubs. But then I saw how K-pop performers are just they really can do it all. Like they can dance, they sing, and they also have so much stage presence that they can inspire. Because back then, of course, I know a lot of the fans here relate. Because most of us here, we haven't seen them personally unless magka-concert sila sa Philippines or whatnot. So for me back then, it was just watching them sa screens. Pero still, naramdaman ko yung inspiration from watching them perform. And yeah, that's how I got into the whole hip-hop, K-pop performing.
Okay. So, from that, di ba dati tinitingnan nyo lang sila, na-i-inspire lang kayo sa kanila. Now you guys have debuted, are already idols. So, how was the experience of training? Baka pwede nyo kaming bigyan ng konting glimpse or mga kwento nyo while you were training, especially you trained here in the Philippines and then to Korea. So, meron bang difference? How was it? How was it, guys?
It was really nice actually. We really enjoyed training in different versions, kumbaga. So the P-pop way and the K-pop way. It was nice that us Horizon got to experience that and we got to feel the difference as well. Kasi when we were training in Korea, medyo mas strict sila sa oras. So we really have to allot the time specifically. So if we're gonna do dancing for this and singing that time, dapat talaga we follow the time. Yun talaga yung pinaka difference niya, kumbaga. And I think it was also great that na we got to train together and we really got to kumbaga city together kasi we got to share our hardships and that really built our team chemistry. So yeah.
We all can see that, di ba? Parang grabe rin yung nilabas yung effort talaga together. How about you?
From the get-go, it was so nice to have the best of both worlds from both here in the Philippines sa training and then sa Korea. But I guess yung pinaka-difference is a lot of our training in Korea, it was very structured because we had focuses na kasi may positions na kami when we got to Korea. So of course, me and Marcus, we had vocal lessons and the other members would have rap lessons and we also had language. We had a lot of dance training which was very rigorous and that's something that we are very proud of because napagdaanan talaga namin until midnight or even past midnight. We were training and just dancing. Kahit galing kami sa event, kahit galing kami sa music show sa Korea, after that we'd still be practicing, we'd still be doing our routine of perfecting yung mga performances namin.
Yeah, I think it really shows that a lot happens behind the scenes, and a lot happens behind our anchors' eyes. And that's why we're very happy every time we get to perform. Kasi that's kind of our moment to really make the most of the practices that we got, and it really makes it worth it then.
Yeah, it's true because I think idols they cook. They cook in the practice room and then they serve the full dish on stage. But of course, kasi if we didn't practice, we would be not showing
wouldn't serve
anything. We would not be serving anything. So there's lots of time that na nabubuhos sa practice studio and that's something that we really like to do. Even if it's hard. Yeah, it's very hard. It's very hard. But
Because
we-
it's your dream.
yeah.
Yeah. So, aside from all the training, all the hours spent in the training room, how was Korea? How was living in Korea? Meron na ba kayong napuntahan na places in Korea na gusto nyong balikan or you want anchors to visit aside from, you know, the usual spots, the usual routines?
Yung madami kasi for me, first time ko mag-Korea nung lumipad tayo. A lot of the members, I think si Marcus lang ata yung naka-work ka sa Korea. But
That was my second time.
Yeah. So marami kasi ang saya din kasi we even see idols work like on their normal days, di ba? And ako, favorite spot ko, if pupunta kayong Korea, you should go to Seongsu. Seongsu-dong.
Seongsu-dong.
Yeah, Seongsu is like a strip, like a street na maraming shopping, maraming cafes, magaganda. And it's more local based. Hindi marami pa yung tourists, pero it's slowly building up there. Kasi for sure, alam niyo yung Hongdae, alam niyo yung Myeongdong, but Seongsu is one na parang very insider, yeah.
Very insider,
Yeah.
very Korean hip.
Yeah,
Hip
exactly.
location. Ayan guys, take note, go to Seongsu-dong when you go to Korea. How about for Marcos? Meron ka bang very memorable spot in Korea or place?
Yeah, actually a lot kasi I like to gala when we have free time. And
Nakatawa sila kasi you said I like to gala. Kayo naman guys, nagtigil niyo na si Marcos. Sige.
I like to walk around outside.
Ayan, nag-English
Or
tuloy.
hindi, mahilig ako gumala.
Okay.
Mahilig ako
Yeah.
Yeah, you know, training life aside, you know, because the training life is hard. Pero aside from that, we also got to experience the Korean lifestyle, and it's really nice kasi syempre a lot of us watch K-dramas, di ba? And it's like living in a K-drama.
Oh, yung sabi ni Razer.
Yeah, and that's why
Ulit-ulit yung
it's
sa
super,
namin member.
super exciting to just kahit normal lang yung ginagawa mo sa labas, it still feels special. Pero siguro, if you guys go to Korea, try nyo talaga yung 7-Eleven doon kasi sobrang iba-iba. Ibang-iba yung 7-Eleven.
Ibang-iba yung feeling.
Yes.
Yes.
Kasi you can cook there and then doon ako tumatambay minsan.
Okay, but isingit ko lang kasi you guys been living in Korea, right? So meron ba kayong natutunan na Korean phrase or Korean word na parang, wow, ang ganda nito at gusto ko tong sabihin sa anchors? Meron ba?
Pag kailangan nyo ng... pag kailangan nyo ng resibo, yung sujung juseyo.
Yongso?
Yung sujung.
Yongso-jung?
Juseyo.
Diyos sa'yo. Ayan guys, kailangan nyo manghingi daw ng resibo sa
Oo, kasi di ba
Korea.
magta-tax free kayo, di ba? So dapat yung sujung juseyo para
Ayan.
maanin yung tax free nyo.
Yun ang words of wisdom ni VG, si Marcos.
Favorite kong sabihin talaga pag nagko-Korean is Chorchiki Maramel.
Solchiki Maramyon, which means,
To be honest.
to be honest, so very honest type ka.
So, lagi ko siyang ginagamit every time na may kausap ako. Chorchiki Maramel.
K-Pop Express.